Dear students, so in today's video we are going to discuss about the new exam paper pattern of NEET exam in 2021. So NTA just announced about your new exam paper pattern of NEET 2021. So before that we will discuss what was the previous exam paper pattern and now what they are making the changes in this exam. Okay, so in previously, so you know that there will be the 720 marks in NEET exam, and there will be the no change in marks. Now also there will be the 720 marks in NEET exam. Okay, in previous there will be the 120 questions. Okay students, in previous exam paper pattern. So how that questions will be distributed: in physics there will be the 45 questions, in chemistry there will be the 45 questions, and biology section having the 90 questions. So now what they are making the changes in this pattern. So in the question they are making the changes. Now in chemistry and physics and biology they are making the separate sections. Okay, so section A and section B for each subject. Okay students, and one more important changes they are making. So in section A, so there will be the 35 questions. Okay, and that is the compulsory questions. And section B there will be the 15 questions. So out of that 15 you need to solve any 10 questions. So that is the biggest change now. So before that there will be the no such optional questions. So in previous exam paper pattern there will be the compulsory questions, you need to solve all the questions. So there will be the only 180 questions and we need to solve all 180 questions. Now they are given the 200 questions. Get it students? And out of that 200 you need to solve any 180 questions, and where they are given the optional questions we'll discuss in this video. Okay guys, and if you are first time watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and please press the bell button. You get a daily updates about such an amazing video of different examination. Okay guys, let you start the video. So we will discuss the exam paper pattern, what they are changing in this 2021 NEET exam. Okay, see here. So in this they are making the section like this. So already you know in NEET exam there will be the three subject: PCB, physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, and for that they are making the separate section. So for physics they are making section A. Okay, like this subject physics section A, that will carry the 35 questions, and all that 35 questions will are compulsory, and each question carry the 4 marks. Already you know that. So this is a MCQ type questions. So each question carry 4 marks, means 140 questions in section A. Okay students, so that much clear. Next, in section B, now in physics section B is there. So previously there is no section, so direct in physics 45 questions they are given and you need to solve all the questions. But here 35 questions in section A and 15 questions in section B. So out of these 15 questions you need to solve any 10 questions. You remember that is the big change now. Okay students, and out of this 10, 15 you need to solve any 10, means 10 into 4 how much? There will be the 40 marks. So how much marks here? 40 marks. Okay, so here now previous in physics total 180 marks is there, now also 180 marks. What is the change? They are changing the pattern in questions. Okay, so previously there is a no choice. Okay, now they are given in section B 5 questions. You have to choice, you have to solve any 10 questions. That is the one of the biggest change, and it is benefit to the student for scoring the good marks. Okay, so in chemistry, so there will also the section A will carry the 35 marks, 35 questions, and each question carry 4 marks, means total 140 marks in section A. And section B also there will be the 15 questions. Okay, and out of these 15 you need to solve any 10 questions there. So that is very important, and each question carry 4, means here also will get 40 marks, means total in chemistry 180 marks. Get it students? And in botany and zoology, so biology sections they are making the two different sections. Biology they are making botany and zoology separately. In botany also they are making the two sections. So previously there will be no section in biology, directly 90 questions will be there, but now in botany there will be the section A carry the 35 questions, and section B also there will be the 15 questions. Now out of this 15 you need to solve any 10, and this 35 questions is compulsory. Okay, miss, 35 into 4, you will get a 140 marks in section A in botany. Get it? And in zoology also, there will be the section A is 35 marks. Sorry, 35 questions. Each question carry 4 marks. Means 140. And here also section B. Okay. So in that section B, total how many questions? 15 questions. And you need to solve any 10 questions. And that is the biggest change. So there will be the choice. So you can solve any 10 questions. So not top 10 questions you need to solve. You need to solve any 10 questions. So most of the students are thinking, so I have to solve all 15 questions and they are choosing out of 15 best 10. No, that is not a pattern. So they are, what their NTA will saying, they are saying you can write any 10 question. Correct question you have to choose and you have to write it. Means only 10 questions, there will be the 5 choosing. And this is really benefit and it is scoring for the students. Okay students, let you see now. So in physics, in section A and section B, total 180 marks. Get it? 180 marks. In chemistry also 180 marks. And in botany and zoology. So botany 180 and in zoology there will be also 180. And if you make total, it comes 720. Okay. So in previous also 720 marks will be there. But this is the biggest change you have to remember. Okay. So they are making the section A and section B. So you remember students, section A is compulsory. So all 35 questions you need to solve. And each question carry the 4 marks. Okay, again there will be the negative marking. There will be the no change in negative marking. Same. So each correct answer will carry the 4 marks. And if you wrong one questions, there will be the wrong answer will deduct the 1 marks. You remember this thing. Get it students? So all of you clear what they are changing. They are making the 2 sections, section A and section B. Section A is compulsory and section B will have the choosing. Total 15 questions are there in each B section. So out of that 15, so you need to solve any 10 questions. Means total you can check physics, total how many questions? 50 questions. 35 plus 15, 15. Okay, then chemistry, 35 plus 15, 50 questions. Again in botany and zoology, there will be the 100 questions now. And previously there will be the only 90 questions. So total how many marks now? How many questions there will be? The 200 questions is there now, and you have to solve any 180 questions, not any. You have to choose only in B section. Okay, clear students? So we'll discuss the eligibility. So same eligibility pattern will be there. So you must have the 12th science and you have the PCB group. Already you know physics, chemistry and biology. And in 12th science, you must carry the 50 marks. 50% marks should be there. And the mode of exam, same, that will be the offline exam. Pen and pencil, you should write the exam through offline. There will be the no online exam. Okay. Then exam duration also no change. There will be the 3 hours. So in 3 hours, you have to solve any 180 questions. And total marks 720. Get it? So 720 marks is there and timing duration is 3 hours. Get it students? So total question 200. You have to solve 180 questions. So type of questions, already you know same type of question means MCQs, multiple choice questions. So they are asking one question, they are given 4 options and you have to choose the correct answer. Get it students? And marking scheme, there will be the negative marking, already you know that. And each wrong answer, there will be the 1 marks is deducted. You remember this. And each correct answer, they will give the 4 marks. So this is the change, you remember that. And some students are thinking about the reduced syllabus. Okay, already there's in CPSC their syllabus will be reduced, but you think students, if they are reducing some syllabus, then only in section A they can be reduced. Okay, and in section B, so there will be the compulsory all syllabus will be there. But you think that if CBSE board can be reduced the syllabus, but finally they are not finalized to reduce the syllabus. So that's why you should be prepared whole syllabus, because it is a competitive exam. So sometimes they are asking the questions and suppose in one topic they are reduced, but sometimes the relation of that topic with another and they are asking the question like this. So best way, you need to prepare the thorough whole syllabus. Get it students? And this is the NEET exam. Already you know in NEET exam, so all over the India there will be the 12,000 to 13,000 students will appear to this exam. And out of this, how many students get the MBBS and BDS, you know that. So this is the toughest exam. So only 53 to 54,000 will get 54,000 students will get the MBBS and BDS admissions out of 12 lakhs. Get it? So you think how much competitions are here. Okay, you check the you can see the changes, and accordingly you should prepare your examination. Now clear, students? So again, if you any doubts, you can you can write in comment box. I will solve your doubts. Okay, whatever problem you have regarding this NEET examinations, so whatever doubts you have about the syllabus, about the paper pattern, then how we have to prepare the NEET exam. So already on YouTube I am making so many videos regarding the NEET exam. So what will be the perfect strategy to prepare the NEET exam? Okay, which books you should be refers to crack this exam. Okay, so all strategies already I uploaded, already I put in the description box. You can see that videos also. So definitely will be benefit. So in short times, how you can prepare the NEET exam. Get it, students? So all of you clear this NEET exam paper pattern, and that is good for the student, because there will be the choicing, means definitely out of 15 you need to solve any 10. So you can choose the any 10 questions. Get it? And definitely it is helpful to the scoring the marks. But students, this year definitely the ranking going to be increased because of this. Get it? So because choicing is there, so in section B mostly very few questions will be wrong, because 5 questions will be choice. So that is definitely this year rank going to be increased. So we can see that also, and accordingly you have to prepare a exam. Now clear, students? I hope everybody understand. Okay, so you just share, like the channel, share and subscribe the channel. Then other students will get the benefits about this a new paper pattern. Okay, students? So you can check, you can take a screenshot, then you can get the benefit of this, and you can share to others also. Thank you so much.